Hello my friends, short review about this Victorinox Foldable pie knife. It's like kitchen knife, but for something outdoor activity. If you don't want to get with you fixed, if you don't plan to work with something like wood, food for example, I mean this one, and only for vegetables, for something like potato, for something fruits, it would be cool. You see it have a liner lock and 11 centimeters here, like ordinary models. I used it this one about couple months and this one about couple years. Absolutely cool models. If you will use it soft only for bread, for example, for vegetables, it would be sharp even after 1 year, 2 years. And this one is the same, but not fixed, but folder. Let's see how it works on different products. So let's start our test with tomato. Really cool. You can change how to fit it, parts of tomato. Absolutely no problem, cause it is Victorinox, cause it is knife at first for vegetables, fruits. Next one is let it be sweet paper. So let's do it. I almost all cooking work do with exactly those type of fixed knife. So I want to say that it's really comfortable. I mean for using and for take caring. You will not do almost anything with this knife to make it sharp, nothing, and it would be perfect for long period using. As you see, absolutely no problem. And next one, it's like salami. And really dry salami. But you should take care with this knife. So for my opinion, it's good but not perfect. First one, let's check holes here. Pieces of wood would be inside, and also inside here. It good for simple, for low price, and only for something like camping. If you plan to really tourism, would be better to get something like Rage Grip, or maybe even fix it like Mora. Here is model of bushcraft. You can use it for different cases. In any case, in description of this video would be a link for full text review of this one model. Here in text would be hyperlinks for review of those models. And also in description would be link where you can buy it and Also, a little later would be a review of this folder on this channel. So thank you for watching, like, subscribe, bye bye.